now to know that my voice ain't good enough for bad lyrics. This is the first song, this is the moment of truth. If this one fails, what good will the rest of them do? I'm trying to stay focused and stay in the moment. All I can think about is if my fly is open. I swore I checked it before I went on, but maybe that was last night. I just can't recall. I'd ask you to check for me, but that's asking a lot. I'm just gonna check real quick and then I'll move on. You're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find a song. It's a miracle, you're here at all. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining. It's hot out here, but so is everything. You know what my job was? Before I did this, I used to walk around parking lots, picking up trash. And how many people paid to watch me do that? Zero, always zero. My job was zero for the trash pickup job. And sweet, no one comes to this one, they still let me play guitar. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it is raining. Sometimes it's the gauge, sometimes it's the garage. Get over yourself and do your goddamn job. You're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find a song. It's a miracle, you're here at all. So when the candle flickers and the days get dark, they call themselves first world problems, they still break your heart. Universe feels like it's against you. Just take a minute to realize all it took to make you. Your parents had to meet, as random as that was, and hang out long enough to at least make some love and make a baby and give it your name. And all of your ancestors had to do the same, exponentially backwards to the start of life. So much that had to happen just exactly right. Sparks had to catch, oceans had to freeze, billions of cells had to survive endless disease. Civilizations had to crumble, wars had to be fought, bad presidents had to get elected, good presidents had to get shot. People had to leave, hearts had to be broken, people had to die so that your eyes could open. The universe is not against you. The universe is not against you. It went through a lot to give you a chance. It must have wanted you pretty bad. No pressure though, no pressure though. The universe went through a lot, but no pressure, bro. You don't gotta be perfect, you don't gotta be a saint. Just don't waste it, this was not a mistake. You're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find a song.